How to DIY your own one-of-a-kind click fan with heat sublimation? Step 1. Transfer your design onto blank fan fabric with heat sublimation. Lay the blank fan fabric and the printed transfer paper flat on your heat press machine. Align the printed side of the paper directly with the top surface of the fabric where you want the design to appear. Set your desired heat and pressure time, then lower the press handle and let the magic happen. Once the timer beeps, lift the handle and gently peel away the transfer paper. Now, your fan fabric features your vibrant, fade-resistant design, ready to take shape. Step 2. Assemble your click fan. Lay out your decorated fabric and fan ribs flat on your workspace. Get a sense of how they'll fit together and are tools needed. Just good old-fashioned alignment. Stick a small piece of double-sided adhesive tape to the back of each rib. Peel off the backing tape after application. This will keep the fabric securely attached. Fold the decorated fabric in half to find its exact center line. Line this center line up perfectly with the center rib that's your guide to symmetry. Starting from the center, smooth the fabric outward over the ribs, working from the middle to the edges. Make sure the fabric stretches taut. It doesn't bunch this. Ensures your fan stays smooth when opened. Step 3. Meet your masterpiece. A fan that's equal parts functional and stunning. Its elegant design parts with color thanks to heat sublimation's permanent ink bonding, and the sturdy ribs make it durable enough for daily use. Open up with a satisfying click. That crisp, distinct sound effortlessly draws all eyes to you. Fold it shut in seconds for easy storage. Toss it in your bag or gift it as a one-of-a-kind keepsake.